Hello kids, happy to see you all. Today in the maths class we are going to see 4.6 estimating and measuring length and distance. Okay, to do this, here look at the map and we are going to complete these things. Okay, so here Mira's house is there, and from Mira's house school is 20 kilometer from Mira's house, and Mira's uncle house is 10 kilometer from school, and one toy shop is there which is 25 kilometer from Mira's uncle house, and one market is there. This is 21 kilometer from toy shop, and this market is 18 kilometer from Mira's house. We are going to calculate the length and distance. Okay, so what is the first question is the longest distance between Mira's house and the toy shop. So here Mira's house, here toy shop. We can go to toy shop either in this road or in this road. So we are going to calculate the two routes, the length of the two routes, and then we are going to find out which is the longest distance. Okay, okay, first one we are find the route 1 from Mira's house and toy house. What is the route? So first one, for first question, route 1 from Mira's house to toy shop. Okay, so route 1 is 20 plus 10 plus 25. 20 kilometer, 10 kilometers, and then 25. So you have to add this. 5 plus 0, 5. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. This is route 1. In this way, it is 55 kilometer. Okay, toy shop. In this way, route 2. Find out route 2. So, 18 kilometer plus 21 kilometer. 8 plus 1, 9. 2 plus 1, 3. So, which one is longest? 55 is greater than 39. So, this one is longer. Okay. So, you have to write 55 kilometers here. 55 kilometer. Okay. So, second sum. The shortest distance between Mira's house and Mira's uncle house. Here Mira's house, here Mira's uncle house. Route 1, route 2. So for second problem, what is the route 1? 20 plus 10. 20 plus 10, 0. 2 plus 1, 3. 30 kilometer. Route 2. 18 plus 21 plus 25. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 8, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 4 here, carry over 1 here. 2 plus 2, 4, 5, 6. 64 kilometers. So the second question, shortest. Which one is smaller? This is greater, this is smaller. So smaller is 30. So write 30 kilometer here. Okay. So next one, the longest distance between Mira's uncle house and market. This is uncle house. Here is the market. So route 1, route 2. So what is route 1? 25 plus 21. 25, 21. 5 plus 1, 6. 2 plus 2, 4. 46 kilometer, route 2. So here 10 kilometers, then 20 kilometers, then 18. 8 plus 0, 8. 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So what is the question? Longest. Which one is longest? This one is greater, this is smaller. So this is longer distance. So write 48 kilometer here. So this is problem third. And fourth, the shortest distance between school and toy shop. Where is school? School is here, toy shop is here. This is route 1, this is route 2. Okay. So route 1, write route 1, school and toy shop. So 10 plus 25. 10, 25. 5 plus 0, 5. 2 plus 1, 35. 35 kilometers. This is one route. And another route, route 2, from school to toy shop. So first 20 kilometers and then 18 and then 21. 8 plus 1, 9. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 59 kilometers. The question is the shortest distance. So which one is shortest? 35 kilometer is shortest. So write 35 kilometer. You have to find out like this. You have to work out like this. Okay. So next one is, which place is the longest from Mira's house? So these two are near to Mira's house. So the longest may be toy shop or uncle's house. Okay. We can calculate the toy shop and uncle's house distance. So from Mira house to toy shop. First toy shop, the distance 18 kilometers plus 21 kilometers. 8 plus 1, 9. 2 plus 1, 3. So the toy shop order distance. And then Mira's house to uncle house. Mira to uncle house. So what is the distance? 20 and then 10. So what is the distance? 30. So which one is the longest? So from Mira's house, toy shop is 39 kilometers. So which is the longest? So longest from Mira's house is what? Toy shop. Don't write this one because this is 39 kilometer. Which one is? So they are asking the place, not the distance. Which place is the longest from Mira's house? So toy shop. Right? Toy shop. Which place is the shortest from Mira's house? Shortest. So the nearby is one market or school. Which one is shortest? This is 20 kilometers. This is 18 kilometers. Which one is shortest distance? 18 kilometers. So which place? Market. Right? Market here. And then distance between Mira's house and the school. Mira's house and the school. The distance is 20 kilometers. Immediately you can write this. 20 kilometers. Okay kids. And then we move to the next one. 5.1 unit. So what is the fifth unit? Understand days and weeks. Okay kids. Days and weeks. Do you know the days of a week? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So these are the 7 days in a week. What's the first day? Sunday. It starts from Sunday, finish by Saturday. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 7 days are there in a week. How many days are in a week? 7 days. Okay. These are the names of the days. Okay. We are going to answer some questions depending on this. Okay. So, 8. So, here. So, here. Which is the first day of a week? So, which is the first day of a week? See, first day. Which is the first day? Monday or Sunday? Sunday. Sunday is the first day of a week. So, Answer. What's the answer? Sunday. Okay, next one. How much days do you come to school in a week? Name them. How much days do you come to a school in a week? How many days you are coming? From Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 5 days. Saturday, Sundays are holidays for you. So how many days? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 5 days. So the answer is, you are coming to school for 5 days. And they are asking, name them. What are the days? Okay, tell me what are the days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and Friday. So these are the days, 5 days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Okay, the next question. How many days are holidays in a week? How many days are holidays in a week? Name them. So holidays, how many days? Sunday and Saturday. 2 days are holidays for you. So answer, 2 days. Name them. Saturday and Sunday. Saturday and Sunday. Okay. So next question is, which is the third day of the week? Which is the third day? Tell me. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Tuesday is the third day of the week. Okay. So answer, Tuesday. Okay. The next question, you have to unscramble this day and write the order of the days. Okay. So this is I am leaving as a homework for you. So try to unscramble these words. You know the spelling of these words, na? Sunday, Monday. This is the order of the days. You have to start from Sunday, Monday. This is the order, and you keep one copy from here and you can check. I will give you one clue. DAY, day will be appear for all the day. So DAY, you cut down the DAY and then find out the what are the days here. Okay, unscramble and do it. Okay kids, the next one is, we are going for 5.2, exercise 5.2. So here, marking the dates. We are going to mark the dates from the here. This is the April month calendar. So the year given is 2019. Okay, 2019. Okay. So the first question is today's date. Let us take this as, so here the weekdays are given here and these are the weeks. Okay. So the dates are here, days are here, year is here, the name of the month is here. Okay. So what is the first question? Today's date is, suppose I am taking this class in Sunday. Okay. Let us take this one, 14th. Okay. So 14th of Sunday, take we are here. Let us assume, okay, today is 14th April 2019. Okay. So today's date is, what is the today's date? So 14, write 14 here, and then month April. April month is first month, January, February, March, April, 4th month. So one slash here, 4, and then what is the year? 2019. So it is seen 14/4/2019. Otherwise I write in this white place. Okay, what was the day before yesterday? So how you find out the day before yesterday? This is 14 today. So yesterday is 13. Day before yesterday is 12. So here write 12/4/2019. This one is 14. Today's date is 14/4/2019. Okay. Third question. What was the day before yesterday? So this is what day? After tomorrow. Okay. So what will be the day after tomorrow? So this is today. This is tomorrow. So day after tomorrow means go to next day, 16. So this is 16/4/2019. Third question only, what was day before yesterday? Yesterday. So go to yesterday, first 14th. Today is 14th. Yesterday is 13. Day before yesterday is go to previous one, 12. 12/4/2019. And what will be the day of next Friday? So we are here 14th. Okay, this is coming Friday is 19. Next Friday is 26. Okay, so the immediate Friday is the coming Friday. So next Friday means this one, 26. 26/4/2019. Next one, how many days are there in this month? In this month, calculate the month. What is the last day? 30. So how many days are in this month? Okay, 30. Sorry, I will write here 30. And then month of March ends in. So here April ends in 30. So before the month March ends in 31st. Okay, it ends in 31st day. So that is one shortcut for to find out whether it ends in 30 or 31. So here you calculate like this. Start from this. Okay, this is highest place in your hand. So January, February, March, April, May, June, July, like this. If January comes here means it has 31 days because this is highest place. So this is lowest. January, February. Exceptional case. It may consist of 28 or 29. I will explain it later. Other months are like this. So January, February, March. March means 31 days. April means 30 days. May 31. June. April, May, January, February, March, April, May, June. 30 days. July 31. Again August 31. September 30, October 31, November 30, December 31. If the month comes in this highest place means they have 31 days. Otherwise they have 30 days. Okay, this is the one shortcut method except February. Okay kids. Next one is what will be the day 4 days after 11th April. So come to 11th April. This is 11th April. 4 days after. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 15th. What will be the day? 15th will be Monday. Right, Monday. They are asking day, not date. And then 7 days before 19th April. So here, where is 19th April? Here, 19th April. 7 days before 19th April. 7 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7. Okay, 12th. 12th is Friday. Once again we will check whether we are going before or after. So 4 days after 11th. After 11th. Okay. So after 4 days 11th means 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is Monday, correct. After means you have to come forward. If they are asking before means you have to go backward from 19th. Go backward from 19th. 19th go backward. So they are asking for before. Before means go backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. That is 19 minus 7, which is 12. Here after means 11 plus 4. So the date will be 15. That is Monday. Okay. You can add that days to after means, before means subtract the days. Okay kids. Let's move for the 5.2 exercise now. It's very easy exercise. Okay. True or they are asking true or false. So do you know the months? January, February, these are the months. Let us know the months. Fill in the box using the calendar 2019. Okay. So here first we learn just the months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay. So January, this is the first month. How many days are there in January? 31 days. And February depends on the year. I will explain it later. It may consist of 28 or 29. Others are alternatively 31, 30. Here March 31, April 30, May 31, June 30, July 31, July and August continuously 31, because you can use the hint here. So first January, how many days? 31. February exceptional. February. March 31. April. And then May 31. Here come to June. Okay. May, June, at the July, August. Okay. So here using this highest places 31, lowest places 30. You can use this. So what's the total days of a year? 365 days. Okay. So here we are going to calculate. Now we are not going to calculate this now. We are going to state true or false now. January is the first month of the year. Is it true? What's the first month of the year? January. So write true. March is between September and November. March, where is March? March is between February and April, not September and November. So this is false. And the last month of the year is July. What's the last month of the year? December. So this is false. Next one, February has 30 days. See February. February has how many days? 28 days. So false. April is the successive month of May. April is the successive. Successive means next. Okay. If April is next to May, check. April is not next to May. It is before May. So successive means it should be come after May. But this is before May. So this is false. And then write the missing month. June. After June, which month should come? This is June. This is August, September. Here, come to here. June. After June is July. March, April. After March, April. March, April. Next is May, June. And then before October is September. Okay kids. Okay, so in this class you are learning two things. Days of week. What are the days of week? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. How many days are in a week? 7 days. Okay. Which day is the first day? Sunday. Last day is Saturday. Okay. So and then months of a year. What are the months of the year? You have to know how to tell the months orderly and weekdays orderly. Okay. I will ask you in the class. So what are the months? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And total days in a year is 365. Okay. Each month consists of either 31 or 28 or 30 days. So you have to know which month consists of 31 days, which month consists of 28 days, which month consists of 30 days. Okay. And these months are consists of certain weeks and days. So depending on this chart, we are going to solve this in the class. Okay. So you learn this. Just learn the months in order and weekdays in order. Okay. Okay kids. Thank you.